Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel, introducing our complete home decor collection, a curated assortment designed to transform every corner of your living space into a harmonious and stylish heaven. From statement furniture pieces that capture attention to delicate accents that add the perfect finishing touch, our collection caters to a diverse range of tastes and preferences. Discover thoughtfully designed sofas and chairs that combine comfort and elegance, complemented by exquisite coffee tables and side tables that strike the balance between functionality and aesthetics. Elevate your walls with our captivating art pieces that reflect a myriad of artistic expressions, while our extensive range of lighting solutions bathes your homes in warm ambience. Later floors come alive with our rugs available in various textures and patterns to suit every interior style. The complete home decor collection is not just about individual pieces, it's about creating a symphony of design elements that harmonize effortlessly, turning your house into a true reflection of your personality and finance. Explain the endless possibilities and bring your vision of a beautiful, adorned home to life with our all encompassing collection. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.